point. Staying in via point for more than 24 hours is called as stopover point. Now the question arises that how to identify the stopover point. Any via point with no x/code is a stopover point. Guidelines for one-way journey. To identify stopover point in one-way journey, count all intermediate points with a stop of more than 24 hours as a stopover point, or count all intermediate point which has no x/code as a stopover point. To identify transfer point in one-way journey, include all intermediate point as transfer point. This include stopover and connecting points. Do not include the origin and the destination when counting stopovers and transfers. Now to make you understand more, we'll see this example. Now here we have the itinerary. The journey is Frankfurt, Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore and Jakarta. Now here we have to identify the origin. The origin point will be the Frankfurt. Destination point will be the Jakarta. Transfer point. Transfer points means via points. And the transfer points are Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Next we'll identify the stopover point. Stopover points means staying in via city for more than 24 hours. The stopover points are Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Now we'll identify the no stopover point. No stopover point means staying in via city for less than 24 hours. Means visiting that city only to change his flight, and that is Cairo. Guidelines for return journey. To identify stopover point in return journey, count all intermediate point with a stop of more than 24 hours as a stopover point, or count all intermediate point which has no x/code as a stopover point. To identify stopover point in return journey, include all intermediate point as transfer point. This includes all stopovers and connecting points. Do not include the origin and the destination when counting stopovers and transfers for return journey. In return journey, the destination point is farthest point of the itinerary and it is denoted with hyphen code. Now to make you understand more, we'll see this example. Now here we have the itinerary: Paris, Beirut, Dubai, Delhi, Bangkok, Colombo, Dubai and Paris. Now this journey is a return journey because our journey is starting from Paris and coming back to Paris. Now this for this itinerary, the fare break point, the destination point is Bangkok, and when that journey is a return journey, in that case first we have to identify the farthest point in the itinerary, and in this itinerary the farthest point is Bangkok. Then we'll divide that journey into two parts. Very first portion we'll call it as outbound and the second portion we'll call it as inbound. Now here the origin point is Paris. Destination point where we are breaking the journey is Bangkok. Transfer points means via points in both outbound and inbound are Beirut, Delhi, Colombo, Dubai. Stopover points means staying in via city for more than 24 hours. Delhi, Colombo, Dubai,
No stopover point.
staying in Via City for less than 24 hours, or visiting that Via City only to change his flight, and that is Beirut.